How to activate your LLBean Mastercard online. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a browser and search for cityretailerservice.citibankonline.com. In here, you need to sign on for your account, in which enter credential and tap on Sign On. In the case of forgotten credential, just tap on Retrieve username or Reset password, after which you have to navigate to the activation section to activate your card. If you have not created an account, you need to create so. To start off, enter the card number that you have. If you don't have a card, just select on the another option. In this alternative way, you need to enter the name that is in the card and primary card holder SSN, your phone number. Then to send a verification code, send the medium that is suitable for you, that is text message or phone call. After you are verified, you'll be able to create yourself a LLBean Mastercard account online. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.